हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ फ्रेग्रेंस वर्ल्ड के आर्टिसन परफ्यूमरी रेंज के दो परफ्यूम्स का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी डूइंग दिस रिव्यू। मैं इन परफ्यूम्स को काफ़ी दिन से टेस्ट एंड ट्राई कर रही हूँ। इनको प्रॉपरली मैंने मैसरेट होने दिया है एंड कोई भी अरेबिक परफ्यूम मैं खरीदती हूँ, आई एटलीस्ट गिव 2 to 3 weeks फॉर इट टू सेटल डाउन। थोड़ा सा इनिशियल स्प्रे करके देन आई कीप इट फॉर मैसरेशन एंड उसके बाद मैं प्रॉपरली टेस्ट एंड ट्राई करती हूँ, फुल डे वेयर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, टू सी कि ये ओवरऑल कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है। इसलिए थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ मेरे साइड से टू एक्चुअली कम आउट विद द रिव्यू फॉर दिस वन, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आस्क्ड रिव्यूज ऑन माई चैनल करेंटली। एवरी वन इज लाइक, come out with the fragrance world reviews already, we are waiting for it. So here we are, let's begin. And before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब किया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging. Artisan Perfumery का जो range है from Fragrant World, वो काफ़ी famous हो गया because they are duping some high ends. तो पहले मैं इसका packaging discuss करूँगी and then I'll talk about both the variants. दोनों की ही packaging, ये white color का box है, अच्छा खासा cardboard box है, very sturdy. Artisan Perfumery is like kind of running through the box like this. यहाँ पे वेरिएंट का नाम है, इन माई केस इट इज़ ब्राउन शुगर और द पैफाम, ऑल दोज डिटेल्स। पीछे की तरफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड 80 ml का प्रोडक्ट है एंड क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस स्टिकर। एंड दिस बॉक्स ओपन्स लाइक this, so you need to be careful. You just cannot hold your box like this and get done with it. आपका परफ्यूम टूट जाएगा। तो ये इस तरीके से यहाँ बैठा हुआ है परफ्यूम and I quite like the way, like, it is very simple, sober kind of a packaging and this is how the bottle looks like. इसमें भी वो artisan perfumery पूरा run हो रहा है throughout the perfume body basically, and यहाँ पे लिखा है eau de parfum 80 ml. Now this one I got it under 2000 and I'm definitely going to leave the links for like the purchase links for this one and the other variant. So दोनों का ही hibiscus magic है by the way the second variant, तो मैं दोनों का ही link I'll put it in the description box. Now this is how the bottle looks like. The juice color is something which is very attractive to me. It has this kind of like a reddish brown tone to it that literally looks like wine in a bottle to me. So I really like the juice color. Overall, I quite like the packaging because it's very simple and sober. What I don't like is the cap. This cap is just so weird. ये जैसे वो बैडमिंटन में जो शटल का जो रहता है ना पोरस सा पार्ट, इट इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ मटीरियल, लाइक बॉडी स्क्रब जैसा फील होता है मुझे ये। आई जस्ट डोंट नो व्हाट दे वर थिंकिंग। सिंपल गोल्डन कैप दे देते यार। व्हाट इज़ दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कैप? आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट हेट इट। इसका मुझे फील भी पसंद नहीं है। ये जैसा खुरदुरा सा फील होता है ना, इट जस्ट ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने नाखून इससे फाइल कर सकती हूँ, यू नो। आई डोंट लाइक परफ्यूम्स विच हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक इनकन्वीनियंट पैकेजिंग इज व्हाट आई कॉल। ये गिफ्ट देने में भी अजीब लगता है यार। आप किसी को नेल फाइलर दे रहे हो इन लाइक विद अ परफ्यूम, जस्ट नॉट समथिंग दैट इज माई वाइब। दिस बॉटल आई लाइक, द कैप आई जस्ट हेट। So let's test the atomizer. I'm just going to spray this on this and the sprayer is pretty good and अच्छे से product dispense करता है and all of that. ये परफ्यूम जो है ना, it is kind of very deep and dark rose perfume according to me, along with of course that mix of a sugar. So this one is a dupe to Boho Boko's red wine brown sugar, and that's exactly what this perfume smells like. It smells like boozy, it smells very dark, it smells rosy, शुगरी, आई इवन फाइंड इट लाइक इंसेंसी। और इसमें एक ग्रीन नोट काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट आता है मुझे, विच इज़ लाइक अ ड्राई ग्रीन हर्बल नोट। तो आई थिंक दैट्स द जिरेनियम इन दिस फ्रेग्रेंस। मुझे पहले लगा था कि इसमें विटिवर है क्योंकि खस वाली खुशबू आती है इसमें। जो एक ड्रिंक आता है ना, लाइक इंडिया में एक ड्रिंक बहुत फेमस है, खस का ड्रिंक, जो ग्रीन कलर का आता है। ऐसा लगता है कि रूह अफ़ज़ा और वो खस के ड्रिंक को आपने ग्लास में पोर किया, उसमें आपने थोड़ी सी वाइन डाली, थोड़ा सा और एडिशनल शुगर डाला, थोड़े से आइस क्यूब्स डाले, एंड यू नो लाइक अ टच ऑफ रोजमेरी या एक टच ऑफ हर्ब या बेसिल आपने मिक्स किया, एंड दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ मॉकटेल that you are drinking. Mocktail cocktail combination is what you are drinking. This exactly has that vibe to it. I think I have best described this perfume. I'll go through the notes breakdown so that I can like relate to what I feel about this fragrance to the notes. So it has red wine, Devana, raspberry. तो इसमें डेफिनेटली जो रेड वाइन है ना, दैट इज सुपर बूजी. इट इज लाइक लिकरिश. यू कैन लिटरली फील दैट बूजीनेस इन दिस फ्रेग्रेंस. Then it has geranium, rose and caramel. Now rose and geranium is super strong in this one. Like वो एक herbal touch जो rose में आता है ना, that is hard to miss. वो काफी strong है. Then it has brown sugar, patchouli and cedar wood. Now again from the notes breakdown, pretty much clear. This is exactly what this fragrance smells like. It smells like a flavored red wine with the juices that I mentioned, like this rose extract and khaska extract and some greenness and sweetness, ice cubes. It has a cooling feel to it. So वैसे इसमें woodiness and all होने की वजह से एक warmth भी है, but somehow it just has a cooling effect. Like mocktail cocktail में जब आप ice cubes डालते हो, then you sip it and you kind of feel very relaxed with it. This kind of has that relaxing vibe. So I wouldn't call this like a comfort scent or something. I'll just call this like a comfortable, happy scent, like something that makes you comfortable, like when you're going out with your friends and you're sipping your drink and you're like just having the chit chat of your life. Yeah, this kind of has that kind of a feel to it. Now, this also is super sexy because of the rose being a dark rose in this. This is for mature women. Like, I wouldn't see anybody wearing this under 25. This is a mature perfume, and for some reason, I am kind of getting that incense vibe in this. It's not listed. I think it is the red wine that is doing that. Yeah, very boozy, very gothic, very dark, very deep kind of a fragrance. This, according to me, is a definite evening nighttime wear. In winters, you can wear it during daytime. Rainy season, you can wear it during daytime. Summers में forget about it. Like शाम या रात को ही पहन पाओगे. Otherwise, ये बहुत ही deep, dark, sultry, sexy, appealing kind of fragrance है. काफ़ी seductive feel है actually इस fragrance का. डेफिनेटली डेट नाइट्स के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. एंड आई हैव बीन रियली एंजॉइंग दिस अ लॉट. मैं इसको ऑफिस में एक बार पहन के गई, फिर मुझे लगा कि ऑफिस के लिए ना ये मेरी मतलब इट हैज़ अ वेरी डार्क प्रेजेंस टू इट. तो ये ना ऑफिस के लिए मुझे ऐसे लगा कि बहुत डार्क और वैम्पी हो गया, तो देन आई डिड नॉट वेयर दिस टू ऑफिस. ये मेरे लिए एक स्पेशल ओकेजन काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेग्रेंस है. दिस इज मोर लाइक अ डेट नाइट फ्रेग्रेंस, more like when you are in the romantic mood or you're going out for a movie with your partner, you want to be a little cozy. This is that kind of a fragrance. It just has a very deep dark vibe to it, and this literally reminds me of this color, this deep red wine color, deep brown color. It just has that gothic dark color vibe to it. So that's what brown sugar is about. Now talking about the performance on this one, with brown sugar, with around 10 sprays, I was getting around 6 hours of longevity. And the sillage and the kind of like scent bubble is strong with this one. ये बहुत दूर तक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करता, but it creates a good scent bubble. So if I'm talking somebody in the close proximity, या माई परफ्यूम काइंड ऑफ लाइक इज ऑब्जर्व्ड, तो इस पे मुझे सिर्फ एक या दो बार ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले. व्हेन somebody was like hugging me, or somebody like I was meeting my friends after a long time and we hugged, and that's when I got the compliment. So I understood that the projection is not loud with this one, but it creates a good scent bubble around me. Overall, I'm really enjoying this scent profile. It's very different. It is not a safe blind buy. It is something that you really need to like. Deep dark rose fragrances for you to appreciate this one. It is very mature. It's kind of sweet, but not in the most juvenile way. This is a mature scent, you guys. And this one is brown sugar. Let's move on to the next perfume. So the next one that I have is Hibiscus Magic. मैं दोबारा पूरा पैकेजिंग आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं करने वाली हूँ. It is almost the same. The only difference is इसका कैप का कलर ब्लैक है, पर टेक्सचर वही है, नेल फाइलर वाला टेक्सचर, लेकिन ब्लैक कलर का है. तो ये वाला मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा पैकेजिंग in terms of color combination, but obviously I still have my opinions about this part of it, so I'm just going to remove it. मुझे ये बॉटल ना ऐसी ही अच्छी लगती बिना कैप के. So I'm going to spray this one, and I'm going to quickly jump into the notes breakdown and what I feel about this perfume. So out of the two perfumes between Hibiscus Magic and Brown Sugar, my personal favorite is Hibiscus Magic, and I'll tell you why. Because पहले मैं notes breakdown बताती हूँ, then I'll tell you what I feel about it. So this opens up with Casey's and Spearmint. Both are green notes. So this has a very fresh green sap like opening. Like it has a very strong green element in the opening. Then goes into rose and cinnamon. Rose and cinnamon combination is supremely amazing because the cinnamon in this fragrance is making it very rich. Like it's just adding a lot of depth. Then we have vanilla, amberette, amber, benzoin, leather and cedar wood. A lot of woodiness out there, some sweetness and some warmth. That's exactly what this fragrance is about. Like, wow. The green elements in this is, I think, the star of this perfume. Rose mixed with cinnamon, mixed with cassis, and mixed with spearmint. These four notes are literally like the star of this perfume. This has a very magical touch to it. Like मैंने जब इसका हॉल किया था तब मैंने उसको बोला था कि उस टाइम पे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था कि दिस फील्स लाइक somebody from the Disneyland, जो फेरी गॉड मदर होती है ना, somebody like that is going to smell like this perfume. वो I still stick to that explanation. This has a magical pixie dust effect going on. This perfume is just another level good. इसमें फ्रेशनेस है, इसमें एक अर्थीनेस है, इसमें this has that feel of very cool and calm and somebody who's nurturing and somebody who is very down to earth. इसमें वो वाला फील है कि जो बहुत caring है, who takes the whole clan together. They are like the life of the family, kind of somebody who like brings in the whole bond. ये बिल्कुल उस टाइप का परफ्यूम है. And this just has a magic touch to it. This is very unique. It's difficult to explain. You can call this like a green rose amber fragrance. So you can imagine the greens in this bring in the freshness and the earthiness and the kind of like humbleness in this fragrance. The rose and cinnamon are just amazing, and then the vanilla, amber, and all of the other notes bring in a lot of warmth. This feels like a warm hug. This feels like a magic touch, and just it. You can imagine, like, this takes me to like an imaginative, happy world which is non-existing in reality, but in imagination you can. In imagination you can be with people you love, people whom you've lost along the way. When you close your eyes, that comfort person, you always he or she will always be there in your mind, and this perfume is that level comforting. Like, this reminds you of your closed ones, especially whom you have lost along the way. So this is the kind of fragrance which is like, it's very close to my heart. Like, it just brings in the emotions that I usually don't talk about in front of others, but when I'm alone, when I need some strength, I close my eyes and I remember people who are my strength. So this is that kind of a fragrance. And like, once I get that kind of connection with the perfume, this is the kind of fragrance I will never run out of in my collection. So I just absolutely love this one, Hibiscus Magic. Out of the two, if you ask me, that is not a safe blind buy. This one I'll say is a safe blind buy, because the rose is kind of like a sweetened vanillic, little bit spicy and green. So this is a safe blind buy. This you can like kind of, and it nurturing and everything, but it does have like a kind of like a secretive sexy feel also to this fragrance. So very different fragrance in my collection, and I have been like falling for this one, falling hard for this one, reaching out for this one a lot more than Brown Sugar. Out of the two, this one is definitely my favorite one to pick. Let's talk about the performance on this one. This is a long-lasting fragrance. You'll get around 6 to 7 hours. You'll get like a good sillage. You'll get like this one projects as well. Like, I've gotten a lot of compliments when I wore this to office. This is the kind of fragrance that is all year around, all season around, and no specific day or time or day or night. You can wear it all time, anytime. Free of occasion. Like, this is every day. You can wear this every day, or daily chores, office. This is like nothing specific about when to wear this one. A very universally flattering fragrance. Does feel feminine. I think men can also pull this off. The other one, Brown Sugar, I think this is a unisex fragrance. It's not just for women. Basically men, women both can wear it. This one does have a feminine leaning touch to it, and kind of sexy, kind of beautiful. Very close to my heart. So out of the two, I probably would say that Hibiscus Magic is something that, is perfect daytime wear kind of a fragrance. I love it. And Brown Sugar is something that is good for evening and nighttime. So you can actually buy both. Out of the two, if I have to select only one, it has to be Hibiscus Magic. That is more my type of a scent. And this concludes the video. I think both are just amazing for the price and for the overall performance and everything. So my rating for both of them is 9 out of 10. I quite enjoy them, and I do recommend these because I really enjoyed wearing these. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that the wait for this review was worth it, and now you have a clear idea of what I feel about these fragrances, and you kind of decide on based on your choice whether you want to purchase these or not. So if you happen to like this review, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, help me grow. I'm going to bring up more perfume content for you guys. So I hope that you help me reach 10K this year, please, because the more numbers that I get, the more subscribers that I get, the possibility of opening doors to new opportunities, opening doors to collabs, and everything is dependent on numbers, guys. Like if you're watching my video and you're not supporting me, it's difficult for me to bring in pitch in so much budget from my every month for the perfumes and then get the content ready. So if I get some collab opportunities, it's a win-win situation for both of us. So help me grow, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.